Hi there everybody, my name's Steve and I felt compelled to do this video because I've been a long time sufferer of tinnitus. Now, if you know anything about tinnitus and if you've been suffering from it, then you'll know that it can be extremely frustrating to have permanent ringing in your ears. For me, my tinnitus was quite aggressive. It was quite bad. I had dizzy spells. I had very awful sleeping patterns, and I tried many things. I seen many doctors looking for a way to cure my tinnitus. I searched the internet and I came across a book. The book was written by Thomas Coleman, and Thomas Coleman is a certified nutritionist, and he is a former tinnitus sufferer. So this guy knows what he's talking about. You know, this is a book that I purchased from the internet that came with a money back guarantee, and to be honest, I thought, well, you know, I've tried for so long to cure the tinnitus that I'd suffered for most of my life with, and this was the last resort. You know, what I liked about this book was that the guy suffered from tinnitus himself. You know, he was qualified, and he also understood that there isn't just one cure for this awful illness, I call it, this illness of tinnitus. This book is a comprehensive education on how the ear and tinnitus work, and how the diagnosis, and depending on the diagnosis depends on the treatments, because there can be many different symptoms and many ways to actually treat it. So you have to know what's causing it, and this guy's an expert in it. And I bought this book as a last resort, and it was life-changing. It really was. You know, I wrote down the chapters in the book, so you'll have to excuse me because I need to read from a piece of paper that I wrote. But chapter 1 is talks about how the ears work. Chapter 2 is everything to know about tinnitus, and chapter 3 is diagnosing your tinnitus. And tinnitus has a lot of different causes, and therefore there are a number of treatment options. There isn't just one. It really depends on what's causing your tinnitus. Chapter 5 was a step-by-step approach to getting rid of it, and this included diet and supplements, immune system enhancements, tinnitus retraining program, a detox, and hydrotherapy. You know, when I first got the book, I opened it up and it comes as an ebook, and I looked at it and I thought, oh my god, you know, it's something like 250 odd pages, and I thought, you know, that sort of put me off a little bit. But because I was so intent on finding a cure for it, I read the whole book, and it's changed my life. You know, yes, it wasn't cured overnight. You have to make some life changes, but they're simple changes that you take on and you change them daily, and it becomes part of your natural daily living, and the rewards are absolutely incredible. They really are. You know, I now am no longer tired during the day because I get a good night's sleep. You know, I haven't got this constant ringing in my ears, and I had pain too. You know, so Thomas Coleman, the guy changed my life. His ebook changed my life, and yes, It did take a while, you know. It took me 2 or 3 months to get into these different habits and to make these lifestyle changes that he recommended, following the diagnosis of what was causing my tinnitus. Because like I said before, there isn't just like one cure, it depends on what's causing it, and it's absolutely incredible. So if you've been suffering from tinnitus and you want to really find the cure and get a proper diagnosis, then you really must get this book from Thomas Coleman, because it's life-changing. That's all, you know. I really wanted to make this video so as people who suffer just like me can have the same freedom that I've got. So get the book, Thomas Coleman. Your tinnitus will be gone, and it's life-changing. Thank you for listening.